So today's the day where I take all my scrap and cash it in. So we'll see just how much money comes out of this. Will it be enough? Will it be 160 or more? We're gonna find out today, right now. I almost forgot my brass. I have to cover my brass. So how is everybody doing in YouTube land today? It's a beautiful Saturday, at least it is here in Maine. Hope everything's going well for y'all. I really enjoy interacting with you guys, by the way. All my subscribers and fellow scrappers, YouTube community. I love interacting with you guys, talking back and forth with you. I think we have a lot to learn from one another, Entering Bangor. Well, that's a lot of scrap right there, boy. And recycling. Yes. In the office, they said to just drive right over the scale. I don't need to stop because I don't have any steel or light iron or anything. And then just pull right in to the garage, and then I can start processing the scrapola. Recycling drive-through. I love it. In we go. That's right, I remember this. Okay, so here's the results, guys. So it looks like they gave me 13 cents a pound for transformers, and I had 63 pounds of those, which is $8.19. Batteries, let's see. I had 103 pounds worth of batteries, so they gave me $20.60. I had 4 batteries, so that's $5 a piece. Number 2 insulated wire, copper. I had 6 pounds of that at 30 cents a pound. That was $1.80. Aluminum, copper rad. Had 9 pounds worth of that, 70 cents a pound, which is $6.30. Yellow brass, free of any kind of bullets. Had a few bullets in there, but I think they let that slide. 6 pounds of that at $1.25 a pound, $7.50. Copper number 2 had 32 pounds of that, at $1.90 a pound for $60.80. Copper, number 1, had 12 pounds of that at $2.05 a pound for $24.60. And light iron, which is what they gave me for all of those power supplies and whatnot, $7.50 for those, for a grand total of $137.29. So there's the money. Money. So I didn't make $160, but that's pretty darn close. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to put that toward getting that trailer hitch. I'm just going to pitch in the rest and get it because I really, really want it. I really want to get that strap dialed in a little better. So thanks for tuning in, guys. And here is the score. Woohoo! Until the next one, thanks for watching.